What's good, guys? Welcome back to Feather Net Outdoors. So today we're gonna take the boat out and we're gonna try to fish the river banks, and we're gonna see what we can catch today. Hopefully we can catch some drum and bass and just give y'all some good content. My cameraman ain't here today, so it's gonna be all self-film, so we're gonna see how that works out. But y'all go check out Feather Nets Outdoors, their shop, their Instagram, their TikTok, their everything. But enjoy the show. Got one, boys. Oh, it's the striper, guys. It's what it's what you really catch when you fish these banks like that. You catch these stripers, but they're usually bigger than this. Oh, shucking. Try showing y'all, but there you go. Got one, guys. I don't know what I got, guys. He's fighting though. Woo! Got him, guys. Let me turn around so I can talk. Let me try to unhook him first. Okay, we get it, you're mad. So, here in Arkansas, we call these drum. They literally have rocks as brains. But we call these drum. And we usually don't eat them, but they're fun to catch because they give up a fight, as you can see. I didn't know what it was, but these suckers right here put up a fight. But they usually get way bigger than this too, so to me this is a baby. But y'all stay tuned for the next one. Got one, guys. Don't know what it's at. It's another drum, guys. He hit pretty hard too. Oh, shoot, this is hot. I figured I'd be catching more striped bass than I would drum, but the river's so low, so ain't no telling what you get. But it's the third fish of the day, guys. Oh, it pooped all on my leg, look. Pooped all on my leg. But y'all stay tuned. Hopefully I can catch some more bass for y'all and some more fish. Got one, boys. Oh, he's a fighter. Woo! Oh, he just got off. He was a big one. Son of a gun. Dang it. Got one, guys. Oh, shoot. Oh. I tried showing y'all because I knew it was going to get off, but it was a gar that I got. We don't like gar. Got something, guys. He's fighting. Oh! It's another drum, guys. There he is, boys. Sorry. There he is. Oh, shoot. Another drum. Dang. God, why are they like pooping everywhere? They're like pooping everywhere. Well, here you go, guys. There goes another drum for y'all. Good, guys. So this is going to be the end of the video because my camera's about to die because we've been out here for so long trying to catch some fish for y'all. But I'm glad I got to catch some for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And y'all go check out Feathernet Outdoors. And I just hope y'all enjoy the video. Y'all leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And y'all stay tuned for this hunting season because it's going to be serious when it comes. So I hope y'all stay tuned. So we're about to wrap it